Look at her face. Were you trying to sit on it?
No, she was trying to climb over it.
I got a jacuzzi.
No, that's yucky.
A jacuzzi?
Yucky stuff.
Wow. Hey, jump in! Jump in!
You want to jump in?
Making it all wavy.
Hey. KK, you want to jump in? Come on, let's jump in.
Mommy, where are you going? Where are you going?
Here. Ready?
Water. Yes, I'm drinking all the water. Oh, you're going to get her. What water does to you?
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
go! Yay, Michaela! She wins.
Let's do it again.
Started something.
She was doing it yesterday.
Is it video? Yes, it does. Oh, you used to, but the underwater videos don't.
You said you couldn't take videos underwater.
I can only take 20-second videos underwater.
What? Like, no.
Jump.
Come on, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Jump!